Hi everyone, my name is Shannon. I'm one of the trainers here at Fleet Complete. We are very happy to have you as one of our clients, and we would like to thank you for being part of our Fleet Complete family. Today, we will outline and guide you through the steps you need to follow to make the best out of your new solution. So let's get started.
The first thing we need to talk about is the welcome email. This email will be coming from the customer success team, which email address is customersuccess@fleetcomplete.com, with the subject Welcome to Fleet Complete, the name of the company, and then training information. This email is very important, so please look out for it. On the email, you will see the following information. It will provide you a step-by-step guide on how to get you started. The email will contain links to the videos, QICs, and other training information directly related to each step that you need to perform. From this email, you will also be able to access our live webinar links and recorded webinars. Also, installation guides and shipment tracking details will be provided. Finally, you will find the links to reach out to our FC support team in case it's needed. Now, once you have received your devices, please refer to your welcome email where you will find our FC support home link. In this website, you will find available the installation guides for your new products, as all trackers and dashcam installations instructions are listed here. In case you happen to require additional assistance with the installation of your new devices, please do not hesitate to reach out to your designated regional sales manager, who can offer you a pro installation managed service. Once your devices have been installed, it is time for you to activate your FC Hub account. Please look out for your activation email. If you cannot find it in your inbox, it is important to also check your junk or spam folders. There are two different activation emails. Depending on what product you're getting is the activation email that you will receive. You should be getting one or the other. If your account was created for FC Web, this email will be coming from fcaccount@fleetcomplete.com. On the other hand, if your account belongs to FC Hub, then the email will be coming from fchub@fleetcomplete.com instead. On both emails, you will find a banner with the legend, "Let's get started." Please click on it and create your login credentials. Now that you have signed in, it is time to start with the configuration of your account. The first step to complete after your account has been activated is setting up your roles. Roles enables you to grant and limit user access. Click on the link provided and let's watch how to complete this step.
The Roles tab of the Settings module enables you to grant and limit user access to the web and mobile applications. To add a new role, click the plus button. Type in a name for this role, for example, District Managers. Within the Enabled Permissions section, to enable a module, toggle the button to the right of the corresponding row. In this example, I have enabled the Map module. Furthermore, within each module, you can grant or limit access to different features by selecting or deselecting the desired feature. Click the Save button. The new role now appears in the Roles list. Roles can be assigned to users from the Users tab within the Settings module.
Now that our roles have been added to the system, we are able to add new users to the account. Let's click and open on the next link in our activation email and watch the video together.
The Users tab of the Settings module enables you to set up and manage user accounts. For example, a user can be an employee or a driver. To add a new user, click the plus button. Type in the user's first name, last name, and email address. Optionally, type in the user's employee ID and/or phone number. Roles allow you to grant and limit user access to the application. It is recommended that you create the roles prior to creating users. Click within the Roles field to select a single or multiple roles to assign to this new user. From the Grant Access section, you can give this new user access to the web interface and driver interface by selecting each option. If the driver interface is selected and you are using the RFID key solution, you can type in the corresponding number within the RFID keys field. Click the Save button. Once you have saved the new user, the system will send an email to the user with login instructions. The new user now appears in the users list.
After this step is completed, our new trackers and dashcams are ready to be renamed so they can be easily identified in the map screen. Now, please click in the link provided and watch how to configure your assets in your new FC Hub account.
The Assets tab of the Settings module provides you with a list of all of your assets in your fleet. This is where you can update information for each asset. To view and update the asset's information, Select an asset from the Assets list located on the left-hand side of the Assets page. The selected asset's information will be displayed on the right-hand side of the page. Within the General section, it is recommended that you update the asset name as soon as possible to help identify which asset you're tracking on the map. By default, this field will contain the device's serial number. An asset type is used to organize each of your assets into a group. These groups are useful for reporting purposes. Examples include cars, vans, and trucks. To assign an asset type, click the Asset Type drop-down arrow. Select an asset type from the list. To add a new asset type, click within the field and type in the description, and click the Add button. Click the Save button. Within the Vehicle Information section, it is recommended that you type in the vehicle's VIN information. Based on the VIN, the vehicle's make, model, and year fields will automatically populate. Optionally, you can type in the vehicle's license plate number. It is recommended that you verify and/or update the odometer field. Here is where you can specify the fuel tank size of the asset. This helps to analyze the remaining fuel that can be displayed as a volumetric measurement when tracking the device reports of the remaining fuel as a percentage. The measurement unit can be changed from the Profile tab of the Settings module. Click the Save button. To manually add an asset, click the plus button. Type in the asset name. Click the Save button. The manually added asset now appears in the Assets list. You can assign a device to this asset from the Connected Device section. The Assets list consists of a completed list of all of your assets in the application. To export a list of all of your assets information, click the Export button. Select the export type, Download Asset List, or send as attachment by email. Select the desired file format. Click the Download button. The asset list is now available at the bottom of the screen.
If you're interested in learning more about how to configure and set up your solution and system, we recommend you register to one of our live webinar classes, in which one of our training specialists will explain and teach you the steps to do it. For our FC Hub and Vision clients, we recommend registering for the following webinars: Orientation for FC Webinar, FC Hub, and Vision 2.0. And finally, let's talk about our white glove onboarding experience. Our white glove implementation service provides you with a dedicated one-on-one assistance to help you become an expert in everything Fleet Complete and to ensure your system is quickly and completely set up for you to achieve maximum results. For a 60-day period, your dedicated assigned customer success specialist will help you set up everything from the ground up, managing users, assets, geofences, maintenance plans, schedule reports, and anything else you need to be successful. To learn more about our white glove implementation service, we kindly ask you to please reach out to your regional sales manager.
Well, this is the end of the presentation. Thank you for your time, and thank you for joining us to learn more about the steps you need to follow in order to make the best out of your Fleet Complete experience. See you next time.